Hey there, welcome to this video. My name is Rohit, and in today's video, we are going to talk about that how you can go ahead and use ChatGPT in the best way possible. What are the things that you can input in this ChatGPT to get the best outcome? I'm creating this video because I've seen that a lot of people are still using ChatGPT as Google. They are putting in inputs and trying to get output in the first message, but instead ChatGPT is not a search engine, and it is not optimized for search engine. Instead it is an AI technology. That means it learns from your input, and based on that it gives you output. So as a user, you want to give this technology the best input that you give, because the output it generates based on the kind of inputs you generate, and over time it learns from that input as well. So let's say if I create a new chat and if I keep giving it best input to get the best output, it learns from that and gives you a output based on that, whatever you input in this chat GPT. So I'll go ahead and show you some of the examples that how I used it for my own self, for my clients, and how I'm getting the best results from it. Okay, so this is the very first example. This is I already know how to create billing pages, what are the content that needs to go on billing or invoice pages, but still I wanted to see that how we can go ahead and use chat GPT to create content for billing page, for invoices, and for emails as well. So right here, you can see that here I've given ChatGPT really detailed input, and here I told them that what is my marketing message, what I am giving as a service, and what I'm charging for this service, what is my delivery time, and how this whole thing is going to work once someone buy my services, because I want to put all those things on the billing page. Now, based on that, uh, ChatGPT has created these all these information that I can go ahead and put on the billing page. So it has created the entire content for my billing page here. Okay, and now go ahead and create everything that should be on billing page. So like here you can see that it has given me all the information what needs to go, that my services, what my prices is, delivery time, description, features, and the payment option, refund policy, privacy policy, terms and condition, and buy now button. So as you can see that if you put the right input, you will get the right output. But make sure you give it as much as information as you can. Now, right after this, I told Chat GPT to go ahead and create a thank you page for me, where where I can send my customers after they go ahead and purchase, they complete the purchase. So as you can see that it has created a content for me for the thank you page as well. And after that, I told ChatGPT to go ahead and create an order confirmation email for me. And like you can see that it has created an order confirmation email for me as well. So it is a very good detailed email with all the information in it. Now, if now you can see that I've written just one single line here and it has created this email for me. But now this email is not based on the simple line that I've put in here. This entire email is based on the entire information that I've given ChatGPT here. So it is really important for you to understand that whatever you put inside a single chat, ChatGPT learns from that and take that information as well and create the output based on that. So once you start this chat, whenever you start one conversation with ChatGPT, try to put as much as information into this uh, about your service, about your product, or whatever you're talking about, or whatever the outputs you want from ChatGPT. Try to give it as much as information, and then later on, based on what ChatGPT generates for you, if you're not happy with that, optimize it again, and then again ask for the outputs again. So let me go back and let me show you the email. So this is where you can see that here I've asked for order confirmation email, and then I asked ChatGPT to create another email, write another email thanking them again and asking them to book a call to move forward with the services. So as you can see that it has created another email for me, and it is a great email as well. Here, once they go ahead and book a call with me, I will go ahead and send them another email to my customers. I will send them another email and ask them to book a consultation call with me, and ask where we'll talk about that how we can go ahead and deliver the service. This is what I wanted. And this is exactly the kind of email that ChatGPT has created for me. So as you can see here on on the screen, you can read the email that we want to take a moment to thank you again for choosing our high ticket pre-selling and qualification sale funnel services. You can go ahead and change this text. I will go ahead and change this. Uh, I'll give some name to my services to make it easy, convenient, and memorable. We are excited to work with you and help you take your coaching business to the next level. As the next step, we would like to schedule an initial consultation email with you. This is what I wanted, right? During this call, we will discuss our business, your current sales process, and how we can help you to achieve your goals. Please follow the link below to schedule the initial consultation call at your convenience. So it's a great email. Now, along with that, if you want to check the language of the email, if you want to have a business language, if you want to have a friendly language in a conversation way, you can tell ChatGPT to do that as well, and ChatGPT will create that message, that email in the same language that you want. So it's a great way. But remember that, like I told you, that you have to put a lot of information and make sure you input the right information in ChatGPT, and based on that, ChatGPT go ahead and create the output. It is not Google, so don't put one single liner and expect the best results. The better inputs you put in into ChatGPT, the greater results you will get from it. So let me quickly go ahead and show you some more examples. Okay. So this is what I've did here. So here I put in all the information, and this is where I wanted ChatGPT to create emails for me for my strategy call. Once someone go ahead and create book a strategy call with me, I wanted to send some emails. So here I've put in some information into ChatGPT. Based on that, ChatGPT has created one email for me. Schedule your strategy call now. Okay. Then this is the email after they go ahead and book a call with they confirm booking with me. So this is a confirmation email, and then this is a reminder email which I'll send one day before the meeting. Then again, I've made this short, and then again another email one hour before the meeting, another email 5 minutes before the meeting, right? So initially I put a lot of information in ChatGPT. Then after that, uh, once ChatGPT generates some great outputs for me, and then after that, one-liners can work. Okay. So if you use ChatGPT in this manner, ChatGPT can do wonder for you. And since I'm using ChatGPT, I'm not struggling with content now. And although I'm not copy and pasting the entire content, I'm still changing few things here and there based on my own personality, how I deal with my clients, and how I want to talk to my clients. I suggest you to do that as well, but just make sure that you put a lot of information in ChatGPT, and then over time keep optimizing your message until you get the best results out of it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding that, and if you want to learn how to create the best prompts to get the best outcomes based on whatever the content you're creating, let's say for emails you want to create prompts for emails, you want to create different prompts for story emails, you want to create different prompts for written content, let me know, and we can go ahead and have a conversation about that as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.